Greetings. Thank you for spending some of your time with me. It is a spring day, and I am outside in this moment, and the birds are being birds. And it's glorious. And I wanted to share. Woo, there it goes. The sound is wonderful. And yes, there are other sounds of other human elements. So I'm just being in the moment and experiencing the sounds and the beauty and the existence of life. So I do notice when I come outside, so if I am walking or if I have the dog with me and then there's nature sounds wherever I am, and if I get close to it, I notice that the nature kind of moves a little bit as they're probably just protecting themselves because I am with the dog. And the dog, Boxy, likes to run and chase nature. It's instinct of the dog. But that said, it's still around me, the nature, and just experiencing it. And if I just be quiet, or if whomever is watching, just be quiet, you can hear the sounds that I hear, or experience something different within your own self. And that is living. There is beauty. May you experience what you need today in your moments. And that is from me to you.